A total weld-on installation can only be accomplished when the dock edge vertical steel is 8 inches wide or wider. Pioneer recommends an 8-inch or wider structural C-channel with the proper concrete anchors. Visually inspect the leveler for possible damage or missing parts immediately upon receipt of the unit. If damaged or missing parts are noted, have the carrier personnel sign the bill of lading as damaged or that parts are missing. If necessary, prepare a claim against the carrier. The levelers are shipped banded without tension on the spring. Prior to installation, clean the dock face and area. Scrape the steel face, the vertical face of the dock, in order to make sure that there are no protrusions such as a bolt sticking out or excess concrete on the face of the embedded steel. At the dock edge, mark the center of the chosen leveler location. For 66-inch wide units, mark the dock edge 33 inches either side of the center. For 72-inch models, this mark would be 36 inches to either side. For 78-inch models, this mark would be 39 inches to either side. For 84-inch models, this mark would be 42 inches to either side. Edge of dock levelers are easily handled by hooking a heavy chain to each button head rivet on the center plate, ED models only, or by hooking a log chain to the center plate itself, VL series. Raise the leveler so that the base plate is flat to the face of the dock. Locate the top of the rear hinge tube flush or just slightly above the edge of the dock. This will put the top edge of the base plate approximately 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch below the surface of the dock. Since it is very difficult to get the base plate perfectly level with the dock edge, it is best to get one side in the proper location and tack weld the base plate to the dock. Raise the other side to the desired location and tack weld that side to the dock. One at a time, lift the bump block up to the dock edge, making sure that the top of the bump block is level with the floor and that there is at least 1/4 inch space between the side flange of the bump block and the edge of the base plate. Tack weld the bump block to the embedded steel. Repeat this step on the opposite side of the leveler. Continuous weld the bump blocks and the base plate along the top and all vertical edges while making sure the leveler is firmly up against the dock. Spot weld in the holes along the bottom of the base plate. On bar lift models, when the installation of the leveler and the bumpers is complete, remove the bolt from the lifting bar. Insert the bar into the bracket on the side of the leveler with the handle facing forward and reattach the bolt. After the installation is complete, adjust the tension as follows. Carefully raise the center plate and then the lip plate. Loosen the 2 set screws in the spring winding assembly, which is the square tube attached to the spring. Place an 1.5 inch open wrench or a large crescent wrench on the square tubing and rotate the tube toward you approximately 1/4 turn. While holding the wrench and tube firmly in this position, tighten the set screws. Carefully close the unit. Do not let the unit fall free to the closed position. In the closed position, the center plate should ride slightly above the dock bumpers. Test the unit for lifting ease. If the unit seems hard to operate, repeat the previous adjustment steps. After the final adjustment, operate the unit several times just to make sure that everything is functional. As a final touch, spray paint the welds and any other areas that may need to be touched up due to the installation process.